Hello guys, welcome back again, and today we will study about the definite article, the uses, and when not to use the articles a, an, and the. So let's begin with them. So the is used to refer to a person or thing when it is particular or specific. Example, put the money in your pocket. तो द तब यूज़ होता है जब कोई पर्सन और थिंग, जैसे यहाँ पे मनी दे रखा है, द मनी, सो ये पर्टिकुलर और स्पेसिफिक थिंग है, तो इसके लिए द पीछे यूज़ हुआ है इसके. व्हेन सिंगुलर नाउन रिप्रेजेंट द होल क्लास, द लायन इज द किंग ऑफ द जंगल. सो हेयर द होल क्लास मीन्स पूरे जंगल का राजा शेर है, इसलिए इधर द जंगल लगाया. एंड द लायन ऑल्सो with names of seas, ocean, gulls, and river, but not with lakes. Example is the Indian Ocean, but Lake Michigan only. So, seas, ocean, gulls and rivers पे ही द का यूज़ होता है, ना कि लेक्स पे. लाइक हेयर नॉट द लेक मिचिगन, ओनली लेक मिचिगन. The Indian Ocean is correct because it is a ocean. Group of islands like the Maldives, also the Andaman and Nicobar Island, etc. Mountain ranges but not peaks. Remember, this is very important. The Himalaya is a mountain range, but Mount Everest is a mountain peak. So do not get confused. Before names of unique objects, the sun, the moon, the sky, the universe, we can also say, means like universe objects, all, sorry, the unique objects that are lying like sun, moon, stars, etc. The is used before them to lay emphasis, like honesty is the best policy. So here यहाँ पे एक emphasis बताया गया है, honesty best policy है, the best policy. Before nationalities but not before language. Indians are hardworking, like Chinese are hardworking people. Chinese are hardworking people, Indians are hardworking people, but languages के पीछे नहीं लगता था. Spanish is a difficult language. So here Spanish is a language and we cannot put the before it. Before names of sacred books, newspaper, well-known buildings. Like the Gita is a book, so the is used before it. Times of India is a newspaper, so the Red Fort, a well-known building, it is even, so the is used before it. So now we will study when not to use the articles. Means that हम आर्टिकल्स को कहाँ नहीं यूज़ करें, ये बोथ हैं डेफिनाइट एंड इंडेफिनाइट. सो लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट देम ऑल्सो. So here first, indefinite articles means a and the. Oh, a and n. Before uncountable nouns means uncountable nouns से पहले द, सॉरी, ए और एन का प्रयोग नहीं होता. एग्जाम्पल, अ हैंडफुल ऑफ राइस. सो हेयर अ हैंडफुल ऑफ राइस इज करेक्ट, बट handful of a rice is incorrect, so a rice cannot be there. Before names of meals, example, I am having lunch. Breakfast, I am having breakfast also. So I am having a lunch cannot be, but I am having lunch can be. See, this is the most important point. But however, for special meals we can use a or an. Example, a dinner is in his honor. So here not complete sentence is given, but before dinner it is a special meal, so before dinner a can be used. Before the names of seasons like summer, winter. So our summer and our winter cannot be there. Body parts like heart, stomach, our heart cannot be there. So only heart, only stomach, only summer, only winter. So now let us move towards the definite articles, when not to use them. So here definite article is given before proper noun. Example, Mr. Bean is here, not the Mr. Bean cannot. So here before proper noun like Rajesh, Suresh, all the names of the peoples and Delhi, these all are proper noun. So the cannot be used before the Mr. Bean or any of the person name or everything. That is proper noun. Before the names of languages, example, I would like to learn Tamil, not the Tamil. I would like to learn Tamil. So here the Tamil cannot be. So names of languages से पहले the नहीं लगता. Before name of any sport, like example is given here, I play cricket. So not cannot be happen that the cricket cannot be happen. I play only cricket ही लिखेंगे, the cricket नहीं. Before the names of cities, example, I live in Agra. So not the Agra. So I live in the Agra cannot be happen. So I live in Agra. This is the correct sentence. In the previous video, I have given one exercise to solve. Now I am solving this exercise. So check your answers. So fill ups with the suitable articles. First, it's raining. Take dash umbrella. So here an umbrella have to come because of U is a vowel word. So here an umbrella. Sri Lanka is an island country. Here also I is a vowel. He is dash MP. So here he is an MP because MP में पहले ए एम ई की आवाज़ आ रही है. So A is a vowel, so it is an MP. I have told it in the previous video also. Please watch it. Highly recommended. He is he is dash European. So here he is a European. He is an European should not be there. He is a European. I have told this also in the previous video. He bought a pencil, an eraser and a scale because a pencil. So here a is coming because of the consonant word. An eraser, E is a vowel word and a scale, S is a consonant. Suresh is a banker, B is a consonant word because of this. Bengaluru has an ideal climate, so here I is a vowel. How far is airport from here? Should I take a taxi? So here a will come because of the consonant. So we have finished the exercise also. So now thank you guys for watching. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.